About tobacco juice, the mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time.
Out on the Bourbon River bank, got a couple big old Missouri night crawlers on about a 4-aught. Couple weights rigged, 9-roll maybe. And they're on out yonder. See what that's got to offer. Got him playing in the sand, kicking stuff. Pretty good looking hole of water. On that first little red float space reel, we got some of these leopard gecko, too big to feed the reptile. Trying them on that, see if fish will bite them. I ain't sure what the hell they are. Mealworms. Bring him up here. Show the viewers what you got.
He didn't even get the bait.
Come on. Something's been stealing our bait since it's hitting the bottom, and 2 big old Missouri River night crawlers are gone.
Nope. No.
Well, viewers, I got some news for him. We surely are.
Oh, I thought you were talking.
All right, we got him on that about a 4-aught rubber worm hook. I kid you not, 10 feet night crawlers wasn't out there 2 minutes.
Nature's quite a lady, but you're the one I need.
Raining up pretty good here in East Central Missouri.
This little thing was, I've been trying to catch this thing for a while now because he's been messing with me and raw. Ain't that right, raw?
Yeah, he's been holding him still. That's hard for me to video him, you jiggling him around. Good catch, Craig. Congrats. He's got me skunk, viewers. He thinks that's funny.
Because this is the second fish and he's caught 0. And because this guy's been messing with me and raw. Ain't that right?
That's right, it's the bait stealer. Well, viewers, he ain't got me skunk no more. The skunk V is over.
I got more catches than him, though.
Little sunfish. We don't need him for bait. So, gonna turn him loose. Thanks for playing, buddy. This is Creek's second one. He's gonna turn him loose also.
Yeah. Me and Ro are feeling nice.
Get him. Hurry on. See. Thanks for playing.
Thanks for letting me catch you, little dude. Have a good rest of your day, my guy.
He's got another one, viewers.
Third fish of the day.
These little sunfish are just biting everything.
Hey, bud.
Gar running there while I go chase one of them sunfish. We reeled it in. Wasn't very big, but still got that live bait out right about there. I don't know if you can see that reel or not. Still fishing.